Question number 1.
Jennifer wants a new restaurant in Dallas. A. Try. B. To try. C. Trying.
Question number 2.
Thomas avoided late to class. A. Being. B. To be. C. Be.
Question number 3.
Linda hopes her friends in Phoenix. A. To see. B. Seeing. C. See.
Question number 4.
Michael enjoys basketball after school. A. Play. B. Playing. C. To play.
Question number 5.
The teacher reminded Jennifer her homework. A. Finish. B. Finishing. C. To finish.
Question number 6.
Thomas ran his cousin at the airport in Chicago. A. Into. B. Onto. C. Over.
Question number 7.
Linda looked the answer in the dictionary. A. Out. B. Up. C. For.
Question number 8.
Michael gave a seat to the older man. A. Up. B. In. C. Away.
Question number 9.
Jennifer turned the invitation because she was busy. A. Down. B. Off. C. Out.
Question number 10.
The car broke on the highway to Dallas. A. Away. B. Down. C. Up.
Question number 11.
Thomas arrived Phoenix yesterday. A. On. B. At. C. In.
Question number 12.
Linda waited the bus stop for 30 minutes. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 13.
Jennifer placed her keys the counter. A. On. B. At. C. In.
Question number 14.
Michael lives Chicago, Illinois. A. on. B, in. C, at.
Question number 15.
The movie starts 7 p.m. A, at. B, in. C, on.
Question number 16.
Jennifer brought sandwiches, chips, fruit for lunch. A, or. B, and. C, but.
Question number 17.
Thomas bought a pen, a notebook, a ruler. A, and. B, but. C, or.
Question number 18.
Linda enjoys hiking, swimming, biking. A, or. B, and. C, nor.
Question number 19.
Michael has visited Dallas, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Chicago, Illinois. A, and. B, but. C, or.
Question number 20.
Jennifer needs 3 things: her phone, her wallet, her keys. A, and. B, but. C, or.
Question number 21.
Thomas studied hard, he passed the exam. A, therefore. B, although. C, unless.
Question number 22.
Linda was tired, she finished her project. A, however. B, consequently. C, because.
Question number 23.
Michael missed the bus, he walked to school. A, consequently. B, unless. C, although.
Question number 24.
Jennifer loves reading, she enjoys mystery novels. A, for example. B, despite. C, unless.
Question number 25.
Thomas likes sports, he plays basketball weekly. A, for instance. B, unless. C, although.
Question number 26.
Linda was excited that she couldn't sleep. A, so. B, very. C, such.
Question number 27.
Michael is a smart student. A. Very. B. So. C. Much.
Question number 28.
Jennifer sings beautifully. A. Very. B. Much. C. So.
Question number 29.
Thomas is a helpful friend. A. Such. B. Very. C. Too.
Question number 30.
Linda drove carefully during the storm. A. Very. B. Much. C. So.
Question number 31.
Each of the players wore uniform. A. His. B. Their. C. Him.
Question number 32.
Neither of the girls remembered homework. A. Her. B. Theirs. C. Their.
Question number 33.
Everyone should bring ticket. A. Their. B. His or her. C. Theirs.
Question number 34.
Somebody left jacket in the room. A. His or her. B. Their. C. Theirs.
Question number 35.
All of the students celebrated success. A. Their. B. His. C. Hers.
Question number 36.
Jennifer likes painting, Thomas enjoys writing, and Linda prefers A. To sing. B. Sing. C. Singing.
Question number 37.
Michael wants to run, to swim, and to A. Cycling. B. Cycle. C. Cycled.
Question number 38.
Linda is kind, generous, and A. Friendly. B. Friendliness. C. Friend.
Question number 39.
Thomas enjoys cooking, jogging, and A. Draw. B. Drawing. C. True.
Question number 40.
Jennifer likes to cook, to clean, and to the garden. A. Decorate. B. Decorating. C. Decorated.
Question number 41.
You going to the concert tonight? Asked Linda. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am.
Question number 42.
When the train leaves Dallas? Asked Jennifer. A. Do. B. Does. C. Is.
Question number 43.
It's a beautiful day in Phoenix, said Michael. A. Such. B. Very. C. So.
Question number 44.
Please the window, Thomas said. A. Closing. B. Close. C. Closed.
Question number 45.
Linda said, I call you tomorrow. A. Must. B. Should. C. Will.
Question number 46.
Jennifer prefers tea coffee. A. To. B. Than. C. Over.
Question number 47.
Thomas is taller his cousin. A. From. B. Than. C. To.
Question number 48.
Linda was born April 10, 1997. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 49.
Michael wakes up 6:30 a.m. daily. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 50.
Jennifer listens to music doing homework. A. While. B. During. C. When.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.